Hello.
Hi,
Oh, I
how
thought
are
you were
you?
gonna be I thought it was gonna be Chelsea.
No, it's me.
How are you?
I'm fine then because I got a story to tell.
Oh, tell me. Tell me the story.
Yesterday, I was gonna book it on my birthday on the
Oh, happy
23rd.
birthday.
But then, oh my God, you're not available. I think you're doing the, what do you call that? The retreat.
The retreat. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So,
When was your birthday?
23rd of May.
The
So I
23rd.
said,
Oh. No, my retreat was 26, 27, 28.
yeah,
Three
all right,
days.
but
Oh,
maybe I booked it later.
yeah.
Because I said, okay, I'm being, para akong ano, sira.
Oh, okay.
Sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna give Emerson a present for donating $100, but then I'm gonna gift it myself by talking to him.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
So I said, that's my gift. That's why I was gonna do it on my birthday.
Oh,
So, but then it's okay.
how are you? So what's your story? Tell me your story.
Oh my God. I don't know if you saw that text I sent you. I said, remember, I don't know if I sent you a text in February.
Okay.
I said on that text, oh, Emerson, I think I found something that I want to do. I'm going to share your message on
Oh,
TikTok
oh yeah,
and
yeah.
on YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
But after that, I regret sending that
Oh, how come?
because suddenly, oh my God, what am I going to do?
Yeah.
But then, seriously, because of that, now I have three TikTok accounts.
Oh, good.
I started with sharing your pointing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
wow.
kasi it's my that's the reason why I got scared because I don't know how to what do you call this? I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to use
Oh,
TikTok. I don't know anything.
yeah, yeah.
So because of my desire to share your pointing, that's made me, like inspired me to do it.
Oh, wow.
So it was like trial and error. I used ChatGPT.
Oh, did you? So, what's your TikTok channel?
End of seeking.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
I mean, I
You know
haven't
that I
got.
don't, you know I don't do my TikTok account. It's somebody else, right?
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I've seen it. Yeah,
Yeah, it's Cecilia.
yeah.
She's from Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So how's the account?
Yeah, it's doing a thing for us, sort of like, and this sort of um what do you call this niche that I'm doing.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm getting like 200 views,
Oh,
sometimes
that's good.
300.
That's pretty good.
I don't know. You can check it sometime because
Yeah.
that I what I did. I haven't got what to do. So in
So
the
do you do a
end,
talking one or do you just videos?
no, that's my problem. It's all faceless.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So like
Oh,
what I do is like in text,
yeah.
I put sort of like 5 lines.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe I don't know. I just
Show it to me. Show it to me. Yeah.
oh my god, how can I show it to you?
Just go like that. Yeah. Oh, okay. I
Something
don't
like
see it, but I don't see the text, but
yeah. So I read it to you.
okay.
Like let me get my. But it's just keep on evolving. It's like it
Oh,
was.
good. I'm happy that you're having fun with it. Right? It's fun, right?
Yes, sort of like the latest one that I did. Like ever felt like no matter how calm you try to be, the tension I can't even read it still creeps in. the mind watch itself constantly trying to manage peace, and then I use your collapse thing. But without the narrator, without control, what's there?
Oh.
And then what's in between peace and not peace?
Oh.
And then
Beautiful.
what's in between observer and observed?
Oh,
What is
good.
the fine lines I do? Like just the same, the bottom
Oh, that's
line.
good.
The last two line is just like about the two opposite,
Yeah.
and then the fifth line is always what's in between observe and observe.
Yeah. Oh, good. I'm so happy.
So I just want to thank you because, like, oh my god, I wouldn't have done this because of helping me with getting, I don't know how to call it, but
Clarity.
sort of like, yeah. So, and then while I'm doing it, I said I want to learn prompting on ChatGPT.
Yeah.
So by doing that, I originally use it like, I make prompt to practice myself
Yeah.
publicly. So
Oh, good.
and then it ended up doing the opposite of ends of seeking. Sort of like emotional support, but not
Yeah.
coaching. It's just
Yeah.
like sort of like they have to sort of like taste it,
Yeah. Yeah.
and just there's nothing to like sort of no solution. They
Yeah.
just have to face it, something like that.
Yeah.
And the magical thing after that, the the third one that I developed is how suddenly I think the narrator stopped.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I'm doing sort of like business now.
Oh,
I
that's
just
good.
started, yeah. It's
Oh, good.
called, yeah. It says that normally, yung pag ano ba, pag sa WhatsApp, we're like about 20, in our family there. So normally we send birthday,
Yeah.
and I'm always the one sending, like a text card.
Yeah.
And I always wanted it like too personal. Like let's say, happy birthday, Emerson.
Yeah.
This and that with your
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
And that inspired me to do my business.
Oh, good. What kind of business is it?
Like sort of like a text card message
Yeah.
for
Personalized.
birthday or anything. Like birthday, congratulations, anniversaries. Yeah. It's like, I don't know, I just realized that if instead of sending a paper, if it is a paper,
Yeah.
oh, they send it to you, but normally it end up in the bin, or let's say, you keep ano
You
bang
keep
tawag
on,
doon?
you don't open it.
Hindi yung parang itatago mo tapos hindi mo na siya maalala kung saan mo na itago.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So this one, I said that this text card is like, if it is really, meaningful,
Mhm.
you can keep it like a photograph, because you
Oh.
can keep it in your favorite photograph. You can keep
Oh.
it forever.
What's your website? Do you have a website?
No, I haven't got a website. It's only Instagram. At the moment, I just created the TikTok.
What's the name of the Instagram?
Oh, hello dot type TYPE
Mm-hmm.
with love.
With love. Okay.
Yeah, hello
Mm-hmm.
dot
Dot.
type
Mm-hmm.
TYPE love with
With love.
love.
With
Yeah,
love.
I don't know if it's.
Okay. I don't
Can you
see it.
see?
No. Let's see.
How it's too it's, because I haven't got a clue about all this technology.
Is
It's
it
taking over.
type with love?
Yeah. Hello. dot, hello,
Mm-hmm.
HELLO,
Dot.
dot, yeah, and then
TYPE.
hello,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, TYPE, oh my God, I'm confused now. Hello, HELLO, then dot, and then type
Mm-hmm.
TYPE with WITH love, LOVE. Na coming up?
No, it's not.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's not coming up.
No.
It should be.
Yeah.
As in hello.
Okay,
H-E.
type it on the chat. Type it on the chat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. No worries. I'm happy for you. That's good because I know you were looking for a business, right?
Yeah, remember I said I have got nothing. Remember I said, oh, I got nothing to do. I mean, I haven't got inspiration. Even like even asking you
Yeah.
how to go in between, because she said, you know,
Yeah.
well, in
Passion
between.
happens. Yeah.
Yeah, that you get on the inspiration. Now it's happening to me.
Oh, that's good. That's good. You're becoming an artist now, Marietta.
Oh my God. You know, the house is out upside down.
Oh, is it?
Because, like when I started something, when it's slow, I don't even like, sometimes I don't eat. I
Oh
don't
no.
feel happy.
You see it on the chat? Just type it on the chat.
Yes,
I want to see it. Yeah.
hello, dot, type with love. Just check. I'm just checking if it is type. Yeah, it's correct.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Oh, it's not coming up. I don't know why. On Instagram, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's weird.
Go to your Instagram
Yeah.
and then search from there. Send me the link from your Instagram. That's weird. Because that's what I was typing.
That's weird.
Hmm.
Okay. Mm. Unless it's not,
Is it down?
mm. Oh, yes. Because I could, oh, did you put, maybe you put capital? I don't know.
Let me just see. Oh, okay. Just see.
Hmm?
Is it supposed to be capitalized? Okay.
No, it should be small.
And okay. No, it's not coming up. Go to your Instagram.
Yeah, it's coming up with mine. HELLO, then dot type. TYPED. Did I put with that? Oh my God,
Oh,
my God. So silly. With a D. I'm so silly.
oh, I see it now. Okay. Oh, good. I'm gonna follow. Oh, good. I like it.
What shall I do? Yeah, so but then since I started doing that, that's when I experienced that, what, floating.
Yeah.
Since I even remember on the 3rd of May, I started being creative with that.
Yeah.
And then suddenly, oh my God, like I'm floating. Do you know that I've lost my mobile in the house? Because, sort of like, as you said, when you drunk, like you get home and you didn't know how you get home.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I experienced. I've been looking for my mobile in the house for 3 days because what's happened is like no battery. So even I call it, I couldn't call it anymore because no battery.
Hmm.
And for days, like I don't feel hungry. I'm just forcing myself to eat because I forget that
Yeah.
it's like sort of like there's no more battery.
Yeah.
So that's when I started um experience that. Like there's no narrator. It's like there's things
Yeah.
happening.
Yeah. Just things happening, just flowing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. I'm
So
happy for you, Mariana.
so that's why I booked this one because I want to tell you this story.
Yeah. Thank you. Because we had sessions and you would go like this, right? Remember? And then now it's stuck, right? Now it's permanent, right? So that's good.
Yeah, like even before, like sort of I have to listen to the recording of our session.
Conversation. Yeah, yeah. You watch it many times, right?
And then I even used to like practicing what's in between, whatever.
Now you don't
But
ne- don't need to.
no, I don't do that.
Yeah. Oh,
Like,
good. So the art is coming through, huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
But even though, as you said, still, the still bad things happen.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Your house is not going to clean up by itself, right? So
Like yesterday, was it yesterday? Oh, yesterday. Oh no, it was Sunday. I had an argument with my mom.
oh yeah. That still happens.
So like I said, oh, I don't think you know, I even have to put down the phone on her. Pinagsakan ko siya na 3 bagsak. But parang kasi sumisigaw din siya.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I just put the phone down. So drama still happened.
Yeah, drama still happens, but you're not engaged with it anymore.
Yeah, but sort of like this, like you get upset and then suddenly it's just
It's gone.
nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but
That's
my God,
good.
you, I still, but I still treat your what do you call this? Your YouTube channel as my teleserye.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
I still watch it. I don't miss anything because I'm interested on the story of different people.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. There's good ones coming up, right? There's good ones. Some of them are anonymous. That's I just have to create a new video with images. It's harder to make that, right? So the
Yeah.
good ones are the anonymous because you know what? The stories are beautiful, right? So
Oh,
yeah.
especially that guy who was crying
Yeah, yeah,
when
yeah,
the
yeah,
two wife dead
yeah,
or died.
yeah. I know.
Oh, that was
Yeah. Heartbreaking.
yeah, heartbreaking. I
Yeah.
couldn't.
Yeah. So that sadness, that whatever still comes, right? But there's no more holding on to it. It comes and goes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. And congratulations, you're now living with your own place. You have your
Yeah.
own place.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. I'm planning to move the camera to the living room so people can see my living room.
Oh,
Right. So
where is this anyway, Santo?
Toronto, downtown
I mean,
Toronto.
like where are you? Are you in your bedroom or in the?
No, it's an office. It's an office.
Oh,
It's
okay.
a small, small office, right? So
Wow.
um you can't really move the camera. So that's a closet there. That's my
Hmm.
DJ equipment. Right? So
Hmm. So how often do you see your mom now then? Are they far away?
Oh, every week. Every
Still every
week, yeah.
week.
Yeah.
Mm.
Except this weekend because this weekend I had the retreat, right? So no, this weekend was my nephew's birthday, so she was supposed to go, but she
Mm.
couldn't. So I saw my nephew, my little
Oh,
nephew, and then last week I had the last retreat, right?
okay.
So yeah, I'm supposed to. I'll probably go tomorrow
Mm.
because you know what's so funny? I was having the last retreat, right? And then I was
Yeah.
doing my talk, and we were doing one-on-ones. Guess who calls me? My mom. She goes, "When are you coming?" You know
She
how
she
Filipino
missed you
mothers.
already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm like, I just saw you last week.
Like like today, I said to myself, okay, I'm not gonna talk to my mom
Yeah,
because I get upset.
yeah, and that's okay too. That's all
And
right.
yeah, and then this morning she called, so I have
Yeah.
no reason to not to answer. So it's like nothing
Where's your
happened.
mom? Is she in London as well?
Oh yeah, but she lives with my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, about 1.5 hours away.
Okay.
So
Whereabouts?
because they live somewhere like where they're in the east,
Okay.
and I'm in the southwest. So
Okay.
1.5, opposite side. If it is like a train station,
Okay.
where they're on the other side and I'm on the other side.
Oh, I see. I see. Wow, that's far. Which is probably
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I'm very thankful. Like, oh my god. I've been telling Chelsea, look, Chelsea.
Oh,
Chelsea. Oh, I don't know. She's okay, but I don't know. I mean, like, she's
comes and goes,
okay.
right? Yeah.
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 So because our one plan was supposed to, I booked her as well.
Yeah.
But I said, oh, I want Emerson to myself on this one. So there's no
Oh,
there's no rushing.
yeah. Chelsea's good. Yeah. Yeah. I
Yeah.
was expecting Chelsea. I thought it was Chelsea that booked, not you.
No,
Yeah.
it's me. So how's your dog? How's
Oh, she's good.
Ella Bella?
Bella is sleeping.
Oh,
Sleeping. She's
sleeping.
either sleeping or playing with her ball, and sometimes she gets stuck under the couch, right?
Oh,
But she's very independent. When she knows when I zoom, she doesn't
oh, yeah.
bother me. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow.
But it's different when there's. She was the mascot. We had their last retreat, and then she was the mascot at the
Oh,
retreat. So she was at the place. It was good. It was nice.
oh my
Yeah,
God. So she's a perfect dog for you then.
yeah, yeah. And then we go for a long, long walk in the morning, right? So you
So
watch
she's
my
good.
videos. You know my stories.
Yeah, I know. But I don't get tired of the story. It's nice.
Oh, that's good.
But do you know that? Because most of the time I'm alone.
Yeah,
And I don't know, like, I like to be alone. I
yeah,
don't go, I don't go out. Like,
yeah,
my children keep telling, why don't you go out with your friends?
yeah,
But I don't know. I enjoy my company.
yeah.
But
You
then
enjoy
when
your house.
sorry,
You enjoy your house.
I
You
don't
enjoy
know.
your business, your new business.
Oh, now, oh my God, like this morning, I didn't sleep till 5:30
Oh, wow.
this morning, and then I only got 4 hours because, like, I don't know
You're so excited
the
about it.
technology, so it's more
Yeah.
like trial and error.
Yeah, you're learning new technology, right? With TikTok, right? So are you doing TikTok too with the business, or is it Instagram only?
Oh no, I just did it today. The
Oh,
the TikTok account for it.
the
So it's just
hello type with love, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's taking a lot of my time now. I'm busy with it.
Oh, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
But before, like, I don't know what to do because, like, I'm still looking for that job, the
Yeah.
accounting job, but nothing.
It's not happening. Yeah, yeah. Might as well enjoy your time with what you love, right now.
Yeah. You
That's
never know.
good.
Hopefully, when I made some money, I'm gonna visit you.
Yeah, come. Yeah. I'll show you around. Yeah,
Hopefully one is hopefully it's gonna happen very soon. But I don't know.
we don't know yet.
Maybe it's gonna work. Maybe it's not gonna work. But I'm enjoying myself learning.
Well,
So
there's
I'm
people already messaging me for the next last retreat, right? Because they missed the one that happened 2 weeks ago, right? So
all right.
yeah,
Really?
so I might do one this year, maybe November or December.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So hopefully, if I have
Because
some
it will be
money.
nice weather here, November, December,
Oh,
before
that's the.
before the
That's,
winter hits, right? So it's fall still, right?
oh,
So
really?
it gets really
So,
cold on January here, right? So you know what? December is still okay.
hmm.
Yeah,
Oh, Emerson. I mean, at the moment, I'm just putting your website on
yeah,
the what do you call this? On the comment section,
yeah.
because you know what? When I put it on my caption,
Yeah.
suddenly I ended up with zero views. I said, "What's happened? Why it's suddenly
Oh,
zero views?" So put three times uh, a post, and then with your website on the caption, didn't like it. And then when I
oh,
removed it,
that's probably
then
why,
it's
that's they don't
yeah.
like TikTok is weird that way, right? So
Mm.
I'm happy that Cecilia does it, right? Because Cecilia does her own channel too. She has her own
Mm.
wheels cover for you.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know her. She comes to my meetings. She's a
Yeah, I know
lovely
her.
lady from
I
Florida.
sent to her channel, yeah.
Yeah,
I
you
go
can
to her
message her
channel,
there at TikTok if you want some advice because she's good at it. She's the
yeah.
one that she has my account, right? So I said
Mm.
to her, she wanted to, and I'm like, oh yeah, just do whatever. I don't
Yeah.
even, I'm not even going to instruct you on what to do.
Mm.
Just whatever you want to do, it's okay. So she
Oh,
said,
yeah.
so she
It's just
designs, she makes the
I
videos.
wanted to link your YouTube, but then oh, I don't know how. It's like
Ask Cecilia, she will teach you. Just
oh how to
message me on the TikTok. That's her. My TikTok account is managed by her.
oh so I could just ask
Yeah,
Emerson
so
ask
just say,
you.
hey, Cecilia, this is
Mm.
Marietta. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
I
Yeah.
was talking to Emerson, and that kind of thing, right? So
Yeah, because like when I tried to link the your YouTube, but then it's not allowing me. It's linking it to my
oh,
because I've done a YouTube account as well, End of Seeking. But
oh, okay.
there's nothing there because I don't know what content I'm gonna
Oh,
post.
okay.
Because that's what
And
my
that's
plan. I gotta do
okay.
the TikTok and the YouTube account, but the YouTube is more, you know, difficult to put content. So I don't know how to link your one instead of that. Habang ka ako.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. So I hope you don't mind.
No, no, no. I don't mind at all. Not at all. Not at all. Yeah.
Because maybe some people will see, watch my videos and maybe they want more, then they can go to YouTube.
Yeah.
That's what. But at the moment, I put your website on the comment section.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so
Thank you.
someone interested in is there. So that's what I normally do.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So how
Yeah.
many people after me? You got how many people more to do? Because you working so hard.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, it's a lot. You know what? Sometimes there's new groups that discover me, right? So,
Mm.
and then it books, like, for example, like I get booked so fast now, right? You notice, right? It's like 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes it's 3 weeks even, right? So, but there's a lot, like,
Yeah.
because the subscription is going higher and higher, right? So,
Yeah. I
so
think it's
every time I release a video, the subscription goes like by 1,000 or 2,000 higher, right? So, and then
no.
so there's
So
new people that books, you know what I'm saying, right?
I'm
So
I'm sure this year you're gonna reach 300,000.
probably, yeah, maybe
Yeah.
we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
see.
It's just like
No expectations.
yeah, because
Yeah,
you're sort of what you're doing is universal.
it
Anyone
is. Yeah, People that don't even know non-duality, right? See,
Yeah.
I had this lady, and she's like, I'm like, um, I was like, I asked, um,
Mm,
what's your seeking story? She goes, I don't have a seeking story. I just saw your video, and it's
mm.
interesting, and that's why I booked this. And
Oh,
I'm like,
really?
so have you heard of this, and that? She goes, oh, no, no. I'm like, do you know anything about spirituality? She goes, oh, I'm an atheist. I just saw
Oh,
your,
really?
I just saw your video. And you
So
know
what's
what?
the issue?
And then, no, she was just curious. She just
Oh,
curious. She
really?
just like, what awakening is or whatever, or, the instant
Oh,
videos, right? So she
hmm.
booked it. And you know what? Within like 2 minutes, she
Oh, really?
was, yeah, so fast for her. So fast, right?
Oh, because she's sort of like not brainwashed a lot. Maybe
Not,
just
she doesn't know what the self or what the know me or contracted energy is, so I have no idea, no language with it, whatever. I just ask her, what are you without the past or the future? And what are
mm,
you without the next? And she just
yes.
went. And then she said to me, okay,
Mm,
all right, I see it now. He goes, oh, it's nice. And she goes to me, well, if I need this again, I'll book you again, but right now it's good. And then she
really?
started laughing and she goes, okay. He goes, I'll go for a walk, you go for a walk. Bye bye. That's it. 15 minutes probably, saying.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I use
No
all
idea
your
what non-duality is. No idea whatsoever.
oh, really?
Somehow the algorithm got to her, you know what I'm saying? And she just
Yeah.
started watching it. She goes, oh, what's happening here? So she said she watches it and it makes her feel relaxed, right? So one day she just wanted to book it. And then she said that, okay, you know what? I don't have any thoughts anymore. I don't have any questions. And that was it. So fast.
Do you know that when I'm sleeping, I turn it on.
Oh, you do?
I select the all one to one and then all. So I don't know, it just make me feel like safe and relaxed.
Oh,
Like I'm by
thank
myself.
you.
So
That's
every
funny.
day I hear your voice, even like many times. You were in my dreams.
Yeah,
So I've already met you personally in my
that's
dreams
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because I was listening to it and then suddenly, whatever you're saying on the
Oh, wow.
on YouTube is also in my dreams.
That's funny. There's a Filipino group that wants to invite me to do some talks so in Tagalog.
Oh,
But my
where?
Tagalog is not that great anymore, right? Because I'm more
Yeah.
Waray.
Yeah, and I think it's more difficult to express in English.
Ano sa gitna ng dito at hindi dito? Ano ang gitna ng It's hard, right? See?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be easy to
Yeah.
express in Tagalog.
I know, yeah, yeah. I know.
Where are they based? In Philippines or this?
It's a UP person from the University of the
Oh,
Philippines. Yeah,
oh, really?
yeah,
Wow.
yeah. They have a non-duality group. You know what I'm saying? So,
Oh, really? So there
yeah,
are some group already in Philippines
yeah.
like that.
There is. Yeah, there is. They found me and they wanted to see if I could do it in Tagalog. And I said, "Do you guys know how to do waray? Because the Tagalog may pagkabulol, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like your daughter, probably, right? Does your daughter know how to speak Tagalog still?
Oh, not
Not that
that.
good.
Yeah, not very good.
I understand
They
completely.
blaming me. They said, "Why didn't you train us to
Oh
speak?"
yeah, that's funny.
But they can understand some.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So,
yeah, they can understand, right? But you know what? It's okay
mm,
because as long as they understand a little bit, right? So, um, you know, then it's okay.
yeah, that's
It's
right.
okay. Even a little bit, even a tiny bit, it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
yeah.
Yeah, so they can understand a bit, you know. So
They
you're not
probably
very.
they, they
Mm,
probably do. They probably
mm,
do understand it, right? I can speak it, like, but speaking in non-duality is hard. I can speak it fluently, no problem, right?
Mm.
But now I'm translating non-duality into Tagalog, right? So, paano kung walang, see, it's hard. Maybe you can do it.
Pag wala ang, ano ba yun? Without,
The
pag
past.
wala ang
Kahapon.
kahapon at ngayon.
What's future? Pag walang kahapon, wala ngayon at wala. See, it's hard. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah.
You like, even belief.
Yeah.
Anong paniniwala? I don't know. It's like,
Yeah.
it's not as effective as in English.
Yeah. But you know what? That's good about it though, that it's a lot of Filipinos, speak English, right? So
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
they
So
can
why they're asking to
understand.
be Tagalog?
Yeah.
Especially if they're based in UP, then
Yeah.
they're, fluent
I think
in English.
they just really wanted to, for the novelty of it, right?
Oh, okay.
It's like because
Mm.
they see that I'm Filipino and I talk about being Filipino all the time.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
it's
Yeah, they expect
easier.
it easier to, but I don't think it's gonna be. No, I don't think. I can imagine it like in Tagalog,
Yeah.
unless someone can do it. I don't know.
Yeah.
A good translator.
Yeah, that might be hard, for the translator even, right? So but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun anyway, right? So I'll let you
Yeah.
know. I'll let you know when we do it. I think
Oh yeah.
it's in
I
it's
will be
coming up.
interested. I will be interested
Yeah, you'll be my
to do.
assistant because you can also do this. You're already doing that on your TikTok, right? So
Oh yeah. I couldn't believe it. I even like one time I just put everything like without the narrator, the past and future, and everything, all the things that you use in Poconos in one night.
yeah, that's good. Thank you. It's flattering.
And then,
I'll take a look at TikTok because I don't even look at TikTok anymore, right? So I
okay,
haven't seen it. I haven't seen it because you know what? When Cecilia offered to do that,
hmm.
she was like, "Oh, I'm afraid." I'm like, "Oh, you know what? I don't have any rules. I'm not a control person, right? There's no controller here."
Hmm.
So she said, "You can do whatever that you want." She would be like, "How about this?" And then she noticed that she goes, "Oh, you always say yes to whatever I'm saying." I'm like, "Yes, yes, yes."
Because ChatGPT, when I was trying to learn, he said, "Oh, the easiest way to you to learn is TikTok. So all you need is know how to type the text, and you need just a blank space, and then
Yeah,
put it there." So I started with that
that's funny. That's good.
because I don't know how to do the video, and also I'm very, I don't think I could do video with my face on it. So that's
Yeah.
why everything is
Oh,
faces. So I didn't,
it's the
yeah,
same anyway. It's okay.
yeah, I didn't even expect that it's gonna, you know, do well
Oh, it's
because
doing
like,
well. That's good. I'm so happy for you.
even like on the first one that I posted, I was surprised. Like the first video I posted is just a page where it's got end of seeking, like words
How
end of
many
seeking.
followers? Do you have a lot of followers now?
Oh no, it's just 53. It's more like on views.
On the views are high. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So see, I've started doing it in February.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
it's
that's
been,
good.
yeah. So the first uh, video I've got where it's got only end of seeking.
Yeah.
it's got uh it's got 600 views.
Oh my
And,
goodness.
and I was
That's good.
surprised, like, oh, you know.
That's good. It will just keep on increasing.
Yeah, but then, in the first 2 weeks, I was getting that sort of views because like
You're
uh
new.
ChatGPT said, "Oh, I think it's testing your video
Yeah.
to." But then after that, after 2 weeks, most of my views like 250, 300.
All it takes is one video to go viral, right? So just
But I'm
keep
happy
on.
with that.
Because with me, for example,
Mm,
my video that got shared on YouTube was Nothing Ever Moves, right? And I have so
mm,
many videos, right? So for the first 2 years, I was like 2,000 subscribers, remember?
yeah,
And then all of a sudden, that video that got shared resonated with a lot of people. And then
yeah,
all of a sudden, it was 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, right? It
yeah.
just kept on increasing and increasing. All it takes is one video. So just keep making videos. If you
Yeah,
enjoy it anyway,
I do it every day when you believe.
oh, that's good.
I
I'm
post,
so
I
happy for
post,
you.
I post every day.
If you like, I can share this video so people can find you. Send
Oh,
share me all your links.
oh, okay. Shall I text it to you?
Yeah, text it to me. Yeah, yeah, and
Oh,
I'll stop. So yeah, it's been good for you, right? That because I remember before you kept on, you would have clarity in it. The thoughts come
yeah,
back, right? Now it's
that's
okay
right.
now, right? Now it's
Yeah,
peaceful.
like I'm just at
And then
peace,
you're so
whatever.
happy now. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like okay. Sort of like I still, the what surprised me though, like with the money, there's no new money
Yeah.
coming in,
Yeah. But
but
it's okay.
I got extra money. I don't know.
Oh, really? Oh, that's good.
Because originally when Lauren moved out, I said to
Yeah.
her, "Oh, you must give me £100 per month to be
Yeah.
able to." Because at that time I was sort of scared that, well, maybe I won't be able to.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
But then now, and that's maybe because I'm also like my
Yeah.
lifestyle is so basic.
Yeah.
I don't go out. I don't.
Yeah. You live really simply, right? So it's okay.
Yeah, I'm happy. Like I don't need it. Like some people, oh, mom, you have to go on holiday. You have to do that. I mean, but I'm not craving for it. So I'm not just gonna go there because like other people doing
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. There's a contentment that happens, right? So
Yeah. And
contento ka.
my breakfast every single day for years now. It's just I have this healthy bread that I normally buy, and I don't know if you heard of this peanut butter. It's called Money Life. I don't know if they sell it there. And even though it's the same every day, I'm excited to eat it every single day.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I couldn't believe it.
That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
that's just contentment, right? There's just this everything becomes lighter because before
yeah.
you were worrying so much about money, remember
Oh
that?
my God,
Right?
yeah.
Like I think we talked about that. You were like, I'm so worried about,
Yeah.
now there's just a flow, even if there's no money coming in, right? It's still okay.
Yeah, like whatever happened now,
Yeah.
even like as I said, like I still had an argument with my mom. Still okay.
Yeah. And then somehow you have more money, that
It's sort of like, oh, I don't need. I said, oh, why I still have some money?
yeah.
Like I don't even. I mean, like I'm doing this. Like Chelsea keeps saying, oh, you have to really push yourself to find a job. But I don't need the money that I need to buy these things and that. And also with this business, I'm doing it because I love it, not because
Yeah.
like, oh, I'm gonna earn lots of
That's
money.
what it is. When you love it, right? It's just because you don't care if you're working till 5 o'clock in the morning, right? So
Yeah, I
yeah.
just love doing it.
Yeah, that's good.
That's the main thing. So, my God, I'm very thankful, Emerson, for being
Oh.
patient with me. Oh my God.
Oh. How long were
Yeah.
you seeking? For a long time, right?
Yeah. For a
You
long
even
time.
went to the retreats, right? You went to the Tony Parsons retreat, or
Yeah. And,
yeah,
and suddenly, because I met a lady there, and we used to meet every week.
yeah.
And then after that, it's keep on, like less and less. And then we stop meeting.
Mm.
And then suddenly, I don't even call her. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like sort of like, I don't know. It's like, oh, she even called me last week. She said, "Oh, how are you?" And then I was telling her about what's happening to me.
Yeah.
I told, "Oh, since Emerson helped me, and now I'm floating, and the narrator is not there anymore. This and that." I was telling her, oh my God. But I think she still want to continue going on, what do you call that, Tony Parsons. She's old, she's 76 or
Yeah,
78.
yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
I think she's just happy. Or maybe it's just
Some
sort of
people are
like,
just, you know what, there's people that follow the same thing over,
yeah,
even if they know that there's, it's just almost like it becomes it's like going to church, some people do.
yeah.
So,
I think so. Like sort of like maybe, oh, if I lost this, then you
what
know,
will I do? That
yeah,
becomes, yeah, yeah. But they don't know it's so amazing to not seek anymore, right? It's just so,
yeah,
yeah, it's
that's
good.
right.
Yeah.
Oh, oh,
Then you
you don't
can
know.
you can be happy again and content with life, even if
Yeah,
it's just very ordinary, because it's just very ordinary, right? So,
yeah,
yeah.
that's right. Everything is ordered. Nothing changed.
Yeah.
I mean, our life still the same.
But less worry and less,
Yeah,
frustration, right? So,
that's right. Like you're just happy. I mean,
yeah.
like I don't know. I mean, like you're happy, but of course, like things that doesn't work out sometimes. You get annoyed, but it's just sort of like just a story.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it doesn't
Beautiful.
make you sort of like
You're not levitating or anything like that, right? So,
yeah, like you worry. Oh my God, what's gonna happen if this doesn't work out? This and that.
there's this person that it was so hard for her. She said, "What's gonna happen to me when,
Yeah.
I'm afraid that if I book you, what I'm saying, I'm not gonna have a me anymore. What's gonna happen to me? I'm scared. I'm really scared, right?" So, and
Yeah.
then all of a sudden she said, "Oh, oh, oh, wow, it's
Yeah.
so clear that what I'm worried about is doesn't even matter."
Yeah, that's right. Like it doesn't really
That doesn't really matter. Yeah, yeah,
that's the I think that's the big difference. Where before is everything matters.
yeah. That's what it is. Yeah, you think that
Yeah.
everything matters, right? So,
Yeah. So doesn't matter. It doesn't make sense. Why do you have to make sense?
yeah,
That's the
yeah.
thing.
I remember you texted me that what do I do now? How do I get this passion? It's finish seeking, right? That's another next, but I'm so happy that it didn't
Yes.
load for you, right? So,
Yeah.
yeah. And I like that you listen to the videos as entertainment purposes. It's a new teleserie, right?
Yeah.
I wonder what this person.
I'm excited. Sometimes excited to see a new one. Oh, I'm wondering what's
Maybe yours will be the new one. It's gonna be good. It's okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, what's the time now? Maybe you.
I don't know.
Oh, it's 8 minutes more.
8 minutes. Okay, okay. Yeah,
So who you got? How many more you have?
I have three more.
Oh, three more.
It's
Wow.
it's
So
4 o'clock now here, right? So
so you got all the energy to do all these things,
I do.
and you don't eat. You said you still happening that you only eat salads now, or
I eat a lot of healthy foods now.
oh,
I eat like cauliflower
mm,
rice, right? I
yeah,
eat a lot of beans.
mm,
Delicious. I just know how to cook it really delicious now. When you're cooking the same thing over and over again,
Yes,
you get a little bit creative on how to do it, right? So my omelets are really good, you know.
really.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
I use spices that doesn't have salt, right? So
Mm.
because my two brothers had a heart attack, one after the other.
Oh,
Yeah. They're twins. So one brother had uh, one heart attack, and then the next day the other brother, and then
the next day.
the next
Wow.
day, yeah, the week before is when I started getting really healthy, right? So,
Mm.
and then I got checked with my blood and my blood
Mm.
pressure, all that kind of stuff.
Mm.
It's because they're like, oh, you know what? I go to the gym every day now. They nothing. You know what? My health is good, so um,
So you go to the gym every day.
I do. Yeah, yeah.
I'm still with me though. I'm still lazy.
That's okay too. Enjoy.
I'm so
Enjoy your retirement of seeking, right? So
even like I still not enjoy. I still don't cook.
that's right. Yeah. I cook every day, but I cook big. I learned how to cook big batches now, right? So I cook, you know, a big batch of. I have
Mm.
cauliflower with red beans, so good
Mm.
with like some some seasoning, some
Okay.
lentils. You know what?
Mm.
I didn't like it before, but somehow now it's so delicious, right?
Oh, really? So
Because
you
I
manage
eat the body's well, this is a story, right? Because there's no
Mm,
body,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
The
of course, yeah.
body's waking up to the nutrition, running, you
Mm.
know, going to the gym, right? So um
So you
lost 10
manage to
pounds
train your
already.
taste bud now. You
Yeah,
train your taste bud
the
with
taste bud, yep. I
mm.
tried to eat something sweet and it was too sweet for me now. I'm like, oh, that's too sweet.
Oh, that's what I noticed because I don't go too much on, like fast food or whatever. Like
And you know
when I go
what's
there,
bad here, right? The Jollibee is 5 minutes away walking distance from me.
when I taste them, it's too salty.
Yeah, so one
The-
time I
you-
took a bite of
mm,
my nephew had a birthday, right? So they had Filipino spaghetti. I took
yeah,
one bite of it. I'm like, oh, this is too sweet now, right?
yeah,
Because it's too sweet because it's sweet. Before, you know,
yeah. So your taste bud change as
changed.
well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah, because like when I go to, oh my god, everything is salty.
yeah,
I said, oh,
yeah.
because not I don't go to fast food.
No,
Uh,
me too. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. I
Yeah.
don't. It's the end of the era of the cinnamon roll.
Oh really? Is it still on your website though?
Oh no, no, I took it out. It's not there anymore.
Oh my god. Oh, but still sometimes I treat myself. I go to when I go to just
It's good to treat yourself once in a
yeah.
while.
Sometimes I just like also when I go to the family party.
Oh yeah,
Like
yeah.
okay,
So one time I went to there's cheat days, right? You work out, you eat healthy, but you have a cheat day
yeah,
every day.
yeah,
So you know what? I went to a buffet. You probably lost money on me. They're like, what the hell? This guy is like just eating, you know what I'm saying? Then the next day, you know what? Clean eating again, no
yeah.
fat, low calorie, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, me
No
too.
sugar, no salt, right? Until next week
Yeah,
again, right? So it's
yeah,
nice. It rewards the body, right? It's like, okay, you did good, right?
yeah,
So apparently it's good because the metabolism is good. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Wow. So
But
you
I'm
go to
so
every day.
so
Wow.
yeah, people notice they're like, you've lost a lot of weight, So
Oh yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's something different. Now that's the yeah. You lost weight. I
yeah.
could see on your face.
Yeah. Because before it was just like I would be eating, like because I'm always working, right? I'm
Mm,
always like 8 to 10 hours sometimes. So you eat unhealthy because you don't
yes,
have any prep meals. So you just
yes,
order in, um,
yeah,
you order like you order in food, right? It's from Uber
yeah.
Eats, right? So
That's right. Yeah.
so you have like 30 minutes sometimes in between. Now I have a whole hour just to eat properly, right? Every day. So I cook all
Wow.
my meals and I prep my meals. So I
Mm,
have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's perfect.
really.
Yeah, yeah. And then I can do pull-ups now, right? Before when I started, I was like, oh, maybe two. You know what I'm saying? But now I can do 15.
Oh, really? I
Yeah.
start going again yesterday
Oh,
to
good.
the gym because I stopped for a while because I was so sort of like
You were just
obsessed. But
floating.
I was too lazy to go to the gym. I said, "Oh, it's no good to the body."
Now it's every
The
day.
body,
Every day it's like the body wakes up, goes for a run, you know what I'm saying? Goes to the
yeah,
gym, right? So
yeah.
it's perfect. Yeah.
That's why I realized that you still have to look after the body.
You still happens. Yeah.
Like you can't just like sort of, oh, okay.
There's more
And
directness, right? So that the body is you know what I'm saying, because you don't have any more story or
yeah.
whatever seems to appear. So there's a directness to it, right? So if you eat a box of cinnamon rolls, then you feel it in your body and you go running for the next day for two,
Mm,
3 hours, right? But now there's a balance now, right? So
mm.
it's beautiful. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. So
Yes,
happy for
thank
you.
you. Thank
Because
you.
I remember, you were going back and forth, in seeking, right? So
Yeah, I mean like every day I said, what's in between this?
yeah.
Doing that every day.
And then happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Happy,
Thank
happy,
you.
16th.
58. I'm gonna be 60 soon. That's why I was telling my
Oh,
children. Oh my god, I'm
what
gonna
a
be
good age to be.
yeah, oh my
Finally
god.
finish seeking, happier, content, right? So, and you're doing
Like ako
something that you love. That's
that's
good.
right. That's what I'm telling my children at 58. I couldn't believe I'm gonna find something I really love. I was
Yeah,
so lucky that couldn't believe that I don't know, just suddenly I found it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. But I have
Yeah.
another one coming up. I'm gonna
Mm.
stop the recording.